This is Arshdeep Kaur and I live in Haryana, India. My date of birth is 16 November 1997. In this statement, I would give prominence to my academic background and preferences towards studying in Canada related to opted courses and college along with my future plans. So firstly, I'm going to talk about my academic period, which has been a continuous growth, which began with my secondary education in 2013 with 7.6 CGPA and senior secondary education in medical stream with 77% in 2015. And this score encouraged me to opt BSc Medical for my undergraduate studies, through which I acquired theoretical as well as practical comprehension regarding morphology of living beings along with chemical science. Apart from this, as I always have been curious about different aspects of human life, so I wanted to learn more, and it led me to pursue Master of Arts in Psychology, which had been quite an enlightened experience for me, and I secured 72.64% in 2021. However, obtaining knowledge always has been my priority, due to which I am considering to study abroad, as it would be expansion to in my opportunities along with first class education and exposure to international experience. So I appeared for IELTS test class on 16 October 2021 and scored overall 8 bands. After this, I researched through various countries such as Australia, UK and Canada, but I chose Canada because it is rich in educational quality and has flexible education system with affordable tuition fees, as well as it is convenient and safe place for international students. So now I'm going to talk about why I particularly chose public relations corporate communication. Well, public relation is an applied social psychology related with management of various groups. As a PR manager, one needs to deal with different challenges on each day related to people's psyche. Also, my previous study, masters in psychology, will be handful to meet out the challenges that I will face in my further studies. Apart from this, for public relation, understanding of psychology is very crucial, as that helps in establishing better business communication with stakeholders. Students will learn to research, write, plan, design and implement strategic communications plans for real clients, analyze paid influencers, organize real events for local charities, produce videos and newsletters, and write media releases and employ internet articles in CP style. So now I'm going to talk about why I chose York University. Well, I looked into various institutes for my postgraduate certificate to find best fit for me. So after lots of research, I came to a decision and chose York University because there is plethora of things about this university that caught my attention, such as it is fourth largest and highest ranking university of Canada, and excellent faculty and amenities for students, as it is equipped with technology. Furthermore, York University has outstanding environment and has right ingredients for my future learning, and I believe getting my education from this university would be significant for my future endeavors. So now I'm going to talk about future prospects. So after completing this course, there will be numerous opportunities to start my career, as students can work as corporate communicator, PR consultant, community manager, coordinator, digital media specialist, event planner and so on. So this way I will be able to gain experience in this sector, and I am really looking forward to acquire the knowledge which Canadian education will offer me, and I hope to reflect these values and views that I will learn. Thank you so much.